Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we are going to create our very own Smart LED with the help of Arduino. So, let's start building. Step 1. Place your Arduino and breadboard on a flat surface. Use jumper wires to connect the 5V pin on the Arduino board to the positive rail on the breadboard and the GND ground pin to the negative rail. Step 2. Insert an LED into the breadboard. Connect the short leg of the LED cathode to the negative rail. Take a 220 ohm resistor and connect one end to the longer leg anode of the LED and the other end to the digital pin 9 on the Arduino. Step 3. Insert an LDR into the breadboard. Take a 10K ohm resistor. Connect one end to the one leg of the sensor and the other end to the negative rail. Connect the other leg directly to the positive rail using a jumper wire. Connect a signal wire from the junction where the sensor and the resistor meet and plug it into the analog pin 0 on the Arduino. Now that our circuit is ready, it is time to upload the code. Connect the Arduino to your computer using the USB cable and upload the following code. This is a block code written in Tinkercad. You can download this code and upload the UNO file into your Arduino. You can find the link to download the UNO file in the description or on our official website displayed on the screen. Once the code is uploaded, the project shall look like this. Place your hand over the light sensor to block the light. The LED will turn on. Remove your hand to let light hit the sensor, and the LED will turn off.